kind of like just give our audience a brief description of what we're talking about here when we talking about smart manufacturing profiles.
Yeah, maybe I'll start there.
Yep.
If I think for most of your audience, kind of UNS would be the starting place. So UNS kind of lives in what a data source emits. And like we said earlier, we want that to be well structured so that when it hits the broker, it is what we expect. The profile is an external document that articulates that expectation. That's all it is. It is the class definition and what a machine emits, the event the machine emits should adhere to that class or implement that class. It should be an implementation of the class. What MQTT does not have in the specification is an external class definition. Many IT languages and environments have this concept that first I define the class, then I instantiate the class. And if the instantiation does not match the class, often I'll refuse to compile, right? Or if I compile, I'm going to have a runtime error because of this mismatch. The profile is the external class definition. And I can implement it in an MQTT data source. I can implement it in OPCUA. In fact, I have to implement it in OPCUA. But I can really take this external document and implement it anywhere. In C#, in Java, in Python. It is just a class definition. It's an external authoritative document that says this is what the payload should look like. And it's a critical part of object-oriented programming. Any type-safe language will have this concept. As an aside, JavaScript is not a type-safe language. It's a prototypal language, so I don't have classes. I have prototypes that I inherit from, and I can be fully polymorphic, and I can change this object on the fly. And that's very, very powerful right up until I want to interoperate the data, serialize my JSON or my JavaScript object to JSON. Then I start to need things like a JSON schema. And that's what we've seen some of the mature players in the space do. Like HiveMQ is a broker, but it also has a JSON schema that I can apply to messages on the broker to ensure that the payload matches. It's just an external document that pre-articulates the namespace, the payload, that everybody can reference.